राहुल कति पटक खेल्छन्?
How many times does Rahul play every day? How many times does Rahul play every day?
राहुल दैनिक 2 पटक खेल्छन्।
Rahul plays twice every day. Rahul plays twice every day.
राहुल कहाँ खेल्छन्?
Where does Rahul play? Where does Rahul play?
राहुल हाम्रो बगैँचामा खेल्छन्।
Rahul plays in our garden. Rahul plays in our garden.
उसले कसलाई माया गर्छ?
Whom does he love? Whom does he love?
ऊ आफ्नी आमालाई माया गर्छ।
He loves his mother. He loves his mother.
उनी कसको कार चलाउँछिन्?
Whose car does she drive? Whose car does she drive?
उनी आफ्नो बुबाको कार चलाउँछिन्।
She drives her father's car. She drives her father's car.
तपाईले कसरी केक काट्नुभयो?
How did you cut the cake? How did you cut the cake?
मैले चक्कुले केक काटे।
I cut the cake with a knife. I cut the cake with a knife.
तिमीले कसरी पत्र लेख्यौ?
How did you write the letter? How did you write the letter?
उनले नीलो कलमले त्यो पत्र लेखेका थिए।
He wrote the letter with a blue pen. He wrote the letter with a blue pen.
मसँग को बस्ने छ?
Who will stay with me? Who will stay with me?
हामी तपाईसँगै बस्ने छौँ।
We will stay with you. We will stay with you.
तपाईको जन्म कुन समयमा भएको थियो?
What time were you born? What time were you born?
म 2 बजेतिर जन्मेको थिएँ।
I was born at 2 o'clock. I was born at 2 o'clock.
तपाईँ कहाँ बस्नुभयो?
Where did you stay? Where did you stay?
म एक होटलमा बसे।
I stayed in a hotel. I stayed in a hotel.
तिमी कहाँ उभिरहेका थियौ?
Where were you standing? Where were you standing?
ऊ बस स्टपमा उभिरहेको थियो।
He was standing at the bus stop. He was standing at the bus stop.
राहुल कहाँ काम गर्छ?
Where does Rahul works? Where does Rahul works?
राहुल स्टोरमा काम गर्दछन्।
Rahul works in a store. Rahul works in a store.
उसले तिमीलाई कसरी देख्यो?
How did he see you? How did he see you?
उनले मलाई यो वालबाट देखे।
He saw me through this hole. He saw me through this hole.
त्यहाँ के छ नदीको पछाडि?
What is there beyond that river? What is there beyond that river?
नदी पारी त्यहाँ एक गाउँ छ।
Beyond the river there is a village. Beyond the river there is a village.
तपाईले उसलाई आफ्नो तस्बिर कसरी पठाउनुभयो?
How did you send him your picture? How did you send him your picture?
मैले उसलाई मेरो तस्बिर ब्लुटुथ मार्फत पठाएँ।
I sent him my picture via Bluetooth. I sent him my picture via Bluetooth.
तिम्रो घर कहाँ छ?
Where is your house? Where is your house?
मेरो घर तपाईको पसलको विरुद्धै छ।
My house is just opposite to your shop. My house is just opposite to your shop.
राहुल कहाँ लुकेको छ?
Where is Rahul hidden? Where is Rahul hidden?
राहुल खाटमुनि लुकेका छन्।
Rahul is hidden under the bed. Rahul is hidden under the bed.
के तिमी मेरो विरुद्ध छौ?
Are you against me? Are you against me?
हो, म तपाईको विरुद्ध छु।
Yes, I am against you. Yes, I am against you.
ऊ कहाँ जाँदैछ?
Where is he going? Where is he going?
ऊ अस्पतालतर्फ जाँदैछ।
He is going towards hospital. He is going towards hospital.
तपाईँ कहिले आउनुहुनेछ?
When will you come? When will you come?
म 5 मिनेटभित्र आउनेछु।
I will come within 5 minutes. I will come within 5 minutes.
राहुल कहिले पुग्ने?
When will Rahul arrive? When will Rahul arrive?
राहुल 10 मिनेटभित्र पुग्नेछन्।
Rahul will reach within 10 minutes. Rahul will reach within 10 minutes.
कम्प्युटरभित्र के छ?
What is there inside the computer? What is there inside the computer?
कम्प्युटरभित्र मसिन छ कि यो चलाउँछ?
There is a machine inside the computer that runs it. There is a machine inside the computer that runs it.
भित्रको थियो र बाहिरको थियो।
Who was inside and who was outside? Who was inside and who was outside?
ऊ भित्र थियो र म बाहिर थिएँ।
He was inside and I was outside. He was inside and I was outside.
तपाईको दिन कस्तो भइरहेको छ?
How is your day going? How is your day going?
मेरो दिन राम्रो भयो।
I am having a good day. I am having a good day.
तिमीसँग कति रुपैयाँ छ?
How much money do you have? How much money do you have?
मसँग 500 रुपैयाँ छ।
I have 500 rupees with me. I have 500 rupees with me.
आकाशमा कतिवटा ताराहरू छन्?
How many stars are there in the sky? How many stars are there in the sky?
आकाशमा अर्बौं तारा छन्।
There are billions of stars in the sky. There are billions of stars in the sky.
उनलाई किन जागिरबाट हटाइयो?
Why was he fired from the job? Why was he fired from the job?
उसको प्रदर्शनका मुद्दाहरूका कारण उनलाई जागिरबाट हटाइएको थियो।
He was fired for his performance issues. He was fired for his performance issues.
उसलाई कसले केरकार गर्नेछ?
Who will interrogate him? Who will interrogate him?
पुलिसले उनलाई केरकार गर्नेछ।
The police will interrogate him. The police will interrogate him.
युद्धमा मारिने सम्भावना के छ?
What is the possibility of being killed in the war? What is the possibility of being killed in the war?
युद्धमा मारिने सम्भावना धेरै बढी छ।
The possibility of being killed in the war is quite high. The possibility of being killed in the war is quite high.
पुलिसले तपाई सबैसँग कस्तो व्यवहार गर्यो?
How did the police treat you all? How did the police treat you all?
हामीले पुलिसले नराम्रो यातना भोगेका थियौं।
We were tortured very badly by the police. We were tortured very badly by the police.
यी बच्चाहरू कहाँ बस्छन्?
Where do these children live? Where do these children live?
यी बच्चाहरू मेरो घरमा बस्छन्।
These children live in my house. These children live in my house.
ऊ कुन सहरबाट आएको थियो?
What city did he come from? What city did he come from?
उहाँ कोलकाताबाट आउनुभयो।
He came from Kolkata. He came from Kolkata.
के उसले कहिले मेरो लागि केही गर्यो?
Has he ever done anything for me? Has he ever done anything for me?
ओ उसले तपाईको लागि धेरै चीजहरू गर्यो।
Yes, he did many things for you. Yes, he did many things for you.
राहुलले उनलाई कति माया गर्छे?
How much does Rahul love her? How much does Rahul love her?
राहुल उनलाई धेरै माया गर्छिन्।
Rahul loves her a lot. Rahul loves her a lot.
तिमीलाई कसले देख्यो?
Who has seen you? Who has seen you?
कसैले पनि मलाई देखेका छैनन्।
No one has seen me. No one has seen me.
खराब अवस्थामा तपाईको साथमा को उभिए?
Who stood by you in bad phase? Who stood by you in bad phase?
मेरो परिवार खराब चरणहरूमा मेरो साथमा थियो।
My family stood by me in bad phases. My family stood by me in bad phases.
बदलामा तपाईले आमाले के माग गर्नुहुन्छ?
What does your mother demand in return? What does your mother demand in return?
मेरी आमा बदलामा केही माग्दैन।
My mother demands nothing in return. My mother demands nothing in return.
के म तिमीलाई चिन्छु?
Do I know you? Do I know you?
हैन, तर तपाईको अनुहारले कसैको सम्झना गराउँछ।
No, but your face reminds me of someone. No, but your face reminds me of someone.
के तपाई दैनिक भगवान हनुमानको पूजा गर्नुहुन्न?
Don't you worship Lord Hanuman daily? Don't you worship Lord Hanuman daily?
हो, म दिनहुँ भगवान हनुमानको पूजा गर्छु।
Yes, I worship Lord Hanuman daily. Yes, I worship Lord Hanuman daily.
यो काम कसले गर्यो?
Who did this work? Who did this work?
मेरो भाइले यो काम गर्यो।
My brother did this work. My brother did this work.
तिमीलाई यी कथाहरू मन पर्दैन?
You don't like these stories. You don't like these stories.
हैन, मलाई यी कथाहरू मन पर्दैन।
No, I don't like these stories. No, I don't like these stories.
उसले कहाँको गीत गाउँछन्?
Where did he sing the song? Where did he sing the song?
उनले मञ्चमा गीत गाए।
He sang the song on the stage. He sang the song on the stage.
के तपाईँ 3 वर्षदेखि काम गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ?
Have you been working for 3 years? Have you been working for 3 years?
हैन, म अहिले 2 वर्षदेखि काम गर्दैछु।
No, I have been working for 2 years now. No, I have been working for 2 years now.
तपाईले भर्खर कुन फिल्म देख्नुभयो?
What movie did you watch recently? What movie did you watch recently?
मैले भर्खरका रिलिज भएका चलचित्रहरू देखेको छु।
I have seen the recently released movies. I have seen the recently released movies.
कहिलेदेखि तिमी चिसोसँग थरथर काम्दैछौ?
How long have you been shivering with cold? How long have you been shivering with cold?
म 2 घण्टासम्म चिसोसँग काम्दैछु।
I have been shivering with cold for 2 hours. I have been shivering with cold for 2 hours.
के तपाईले कार्यालय परिसरमा धूम्रपान गर्नुभयो?
Did you smoke in the office premises? Did you smoke in the office premises?
म कार्यालय परिसरमा धूम्रपान गर्दैन।
I don't smoke in office premises. I don't smoke in office premises.
म कहिले आउने छु?
When will I come to you? When will I come to you?
तपाईँ कुनै पनि समयमा म कहाँ आउन सक्नुहुन्छ?
You can come to me at any time. You can come to me at any time.
सचिनले पछिल्ला सबै रेकर्डहरू के गरे?
What did Sachin do with all the previous records? What did Sachin do with all the previous records?
सचिनले पहिलेका सबै रेकर्डहरू तोडे।
Sachin broke all the previous records. Sachin broke all the previous records.
के तपाईँ मेरो प्रस्ताव स्वीकार गर्नुहुन्छ?
Do you accept my proposal? Do you accept my proposal?
म तपाईको प्रस्ताव स्वीकार गर्दछु।
I accept your proposal. I accept your proposal.
कसले तपाईको किताब लिए?
Who took your book? Who took your book?
मेरो भाइले मेरो किताब लिए।
My brother took my book. My brother took my book.
तपाईँ के खोज्दै हुनुहुन्छ?
What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
म मेरो कलम खोज्दैछु।
I am looking for my pen. I am looking for my pen.